What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something special for you. If you are a DIYer and your car is running lean, you have a little leak and all of that stuff, and you having troubles passing the missions and all of that, then this will be a good product for you. This is a smoke machine, you guys. Budget friendly smoke machine. Very budget friendly. So we are going to go ahead and get into it. If I jump in this video like this, it's because I'm in my garage. I have the garage door open and it's like 1,000 bees outside right now. And I don't want to get stung. All right. So right here, we are going to go ahead and crack the seal. Now, there is a few versions of this smoke machine. They do have, this version here is the pump. It pushes out the smoke. And this is very popular on Amazon, you guys. A lot of people have been reviewing this one, so I just want to check it out for myself, and hopefully this is good. We do have one that I made from scratch with, I think it's baby oil or some type of mineral oil that I use. I'll show it to y'all. I featured it on the channel before, but I'll show it to y'all again. So we're gonna open this, and here we have the book. Oh, I love these instructions, you guys. Look at this. The instructions are so colorful, nice, easy to read. You can hook it up to your 12-volt battery. So right here, you have the chemical that you need to create the smoke. They call it smoke fluid. I've seen it on Amazon, so you can purchase extra. This is how you get the power source, you guys. You can hook it up to your car battery. So right here, this is your hose that you need. You have your hook right here. All right, they gave us a fuse. They have a ball here. Don't know what that ball is yet, but we will figure that out. And they gave us a big Ziploc bag. Oh, for returns. If returning, please seal machine in a bag to prevent shipping rejection. Oh, wow. All right. So if you need to return this, this is how you return it. But hopefully we don't have to return. They gave us a good amount of wire. This is a lot of wire, actually. All right. So they got heat only off, heat plus auxiliary, and that hooks up here. So you got two prongs right there. You just match it up, twist in. All right. Now for this part, okay. So I twisted a little bit to get this open, but right here they have a rubber gasket just so it won't leak. All right. So here you have your elements. All right. Now, in order to make smoke happen, you need heat. That's how come I have a soldering iron on the one that I my homemade one. All right. Now the difference between my homemade one and this one is, I think, will be like the heat, and this one has built-in motor in it where it can blow out smoke. They have little rope in there. This is the heating element right here. That's how you heat it up. And aux cable get hooked up here. So this get hooked up right here, you guys, and it snaps right on in. All right, that's how that drives your fan. All right, what do it say? It says pour smoke fluid directly on coils. And here it says put the ball in. All right, open the cover, drop in the fluid level marble. So this is a fluid level marble. All right. After you dropped in the marble, it says fill above marble. Just doing what the instruction says. Exhaust system, intake system, EVAP system, full system. So all of that good stuff, they got it right there. And this is sealed. So if you get one that's not sealed, just know that it's been used. Oh, okay. So you can use this to square it out. So we take that top off. I'm going to remove the aluminum foil or the seal. So the smoke should, well, the liquid should last you a while if you don't fill that much up. Okay, so that will take forever. Okay, so just fill it up above the marble, close the cover. It says install the hook, in which we already cheated. We installed the hook because we got too excited. Install power to pump in unit. All right, so we did that. All right, you guys, so I took the hook back off so y'all can see this on camera. So I unplug this part right here, the motor, and I'm going to feed this through and see if this works. All right, so that way y'all won't see no hidden surprises. All right, feed that through. That way that can be on top. I'm gonna hook it up on top right there. All right, now I'm going to hook this up on this hose right here. Perfect. All right, you guys, so we are going to go on heat only mode. And it says do it for 1 minute. Hopefully it's on. Do we have an indication light? Any type of light? No light? That's not good. Hopefully this thing is working. All right, you guys, been over 1 minute, so apologies. Now I'm going to turn it heat aux. Oh, it's working. I hear the machine. Now I'm assuming that it's blowing by itself. Let's take this off, see if any smoke come out. All right, you guys, so you see a smoke coming out of my air filter. Let's check here. Oh yeah. So it's very visible. This is what I like about this smoke machine. So this is pretty cool, you guys. Just for the simple fact it is pumping out the smoke. So this is good. And that's it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.